Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are so glad you are here with us for part 2 of our journey on rekindling marriage after separation. Be sure to check out part 1, where we explored the journey of a married couple working through separation. In today's episode, we're diving into part 2, the powerful steps that couples can take to truly rekindle their connection after time apart. From reigniting emotional intimacy to building trust and rediscovering the joy that first brought them together, we'll be exploring practical advice and expert insights to help you or someone you know find their way back to a stronger, happier marriage. So, let's get started and make this journey one of healing, growth, and love. But before we begin, we would greatly appreciate it if you liked this video and subscribe to our channel. And be sure to hit the notification icon to be updated whenever any of our videos are uploaded. Show appreciation and gratitude. It is simple to lose sight of the great attributes that initially brought a couple together in the midst of the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Sharing feelings of appreciation and thankfulness with one another might help to foster a more upbeat and optimistic environment. Rebuilding an emotional connection can be accomplished by the use of seemingly insignificant actions, such as writing messages of gratitude to one another or complimenting one another. From the very start, be completely forthright with yourself. In order to discover how to revive a marriage, it is necessary to engage in some self-reflection and be willing to take criticism. You should be aware that you are attempting to rekindle a marriage after separation because you are completely committed to getting back together. If you continue to have any concerns, you should seek the assistance of a counselor who can assist you in determining this. In the event that you are certain that you want to save your marriage after a separation, then you need to make a significant investment in order to make some adjustments so that you can once again experience a healthy and personal connection with your partner. Convey compassion and kindness. It is possible to save a relationship by doing something as easy as never failing to treat one another with kindness and care. It is possible that you will be able to resolve disagreements more successfully if you adopt the mindset of always being polite and courteous to your partner. Keeping this in mind is absolutely necessary in order to maintain a long-term relationship. In the event that you find yourself feeling furious with your spouse, for instance, you can still demonstrate kindness by avoiding being overly critical or nasty to them through your behavior. There is no need to speak in a condescending manner or to make remarks that are negative. Instead, take a deep breath and convey your argument when you are both in a position to have a pleasant conversation about it. When faced with a choice, always choose to be kind rather than to win an argument. Be considerate of your spouse and show them respect. One more thing you can do to learn how to rebuild your marriage after a split is to recommit yourself to respecting your partner. It is possible that you are still harboring sentiments of wrath and resentment in your heart as a result of your past, and it is possible that you require assistance in surrendering those feelings. Once you are able to love and accept your spouse for who they are, you will be better equipped to work through your differences in a thoughtful and caring manner. This is because loving and accepting your partner because of who they are is crucial. You need to make this the cornerstone of your marriage and the foundation upon which your relationship is built. Make your relationship a top priority. Keep in mind that once you have made the decision to work toward reconciliation after a breakup, you are obligated to make it a top priority. It is necessary to put in the effort and go above and beyond in order to demonstrate that you are committed to the process of re-establishing the connection and that you share responsibility for it. Spend quality time together. The importance of investing quality time in the relationship cannot be overstated. To ensure that you are able to concentrate on each other without being distracted, you should plan regular evening dates or weekend trips. Spending quality time together enables couples to emotionally reconnect with one another and improve their connection, which in turn fosters a greater understanding and appreciation for one another from both partners. Feel free to share your thoughts and feelings. If you are looking for advice on how to reignite the passion in a relationship, this is the most comprehensive piece of guidance you will receive regarding the divorce process. You are able to restore trust in the relationship by expressing yourself, which allows sentiments of trust to return. Genuine closeness is the key to the continued success of a marriage. There are many different ways in which you can express yourself. Your feelings can be communicated through the exchange of light-hearted moments, physical tenderness, and non-sexual contact. It is crucial to allow yourself to be open with your spouse, and it is necessary to allow him to be vulnerable as well. Discuss your day, key experiences, and thoughts, and share enjoyable moments together. Have a good time with one another. Are you considering ways to mend a marriage that has been split up after a separation? If you want to have fun together as a couple once more, you need to make it a priority. Take a break from your busy schedule and go on an exciting excursion with your partner. You and your partner will be able to rekindle your relationship in the same way that you did at the beginning of your relationship, thanks to this. In conclusion, the fact that you are separated from your significant other does make things more difficult, but this is your own special way of demonstrating that you still care about them. If you have made the decision to reignite a marriage after it has been separated, then giving it another shot means beginning the process all over again. This means that you should enjoy the trip in the same way that you would at the beginning of a relationship, with the exception of potential hangovers. If your relationship is something that you hold dear and you do not want it to break apart once more, then you should take the initiative to overcome the challenges that you are facing as a pair and reignite the love that you share. Be encouraged, you've got this. We here at Motivate My Marriage believe in you both. We are so grateful that you took the time to view Motivate My Marriage. Kindly remember to like, subscribe, and share.